Okay, so there's like a few reasons that I love being single, and I'll give you guys three. So one reason I love being single is I love just kind of like being able to kind of like do what I want, like be alone. I can cook whatever I want. I don't have to ask anybody else, you know?
Amen, sister. Yeah.
What?
Amen. Go, keep going.
Okay. Two is I love kind of just like being able to watch my own shows, have my own movies, instead of like always asking like, you know, what do you want to watch tonight type thing. And then the third reason is honestly like the bed. I love being just like having myself in the bed, like, because I like to just kind of spread out, you know.
I feel you, girl.
Can you stand outside the car, please?
Do you need me to like grab something?
No, just stand outside the car for me if you don't mind. Can you just get out of the car, please?
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Is there like a certain stance you wanted, or like just chilling?
You can just sit down if you want. How's that going?
It's nice.
Is it?
It's real nice out here.
I gotcha.
Yeah.
Cool.
So I mean, like, is there like a certain time frame you had in mind, or are we just kind of chilling? You know, like, what are we doing?
All right, I'll see you later.
Baby? Baby?
Yeah?
Can you lift your arms up really quick?
Oh. You let it out.
Oh.
You let it out. Yeah, you let out the squishiness. It's kind of, it's all part of it.
Oh my.
You know, once there was a little tiny mush.
A tiny mush.
And her name was Gaba Woo.
No!
And that's you. You're Gaba Woo!
Okay. This is cute.
Yeah, that looks good. Looks good. Looks good. That's perfect. Okay. No, wait. Well, hold on. Don't move.
What?
Don't move a muscle. Oh my
What?
God, there's something in your hair.
No. No, Jack.
Don't move. Give me.
What is it?
Put your right hand on top of your head.
No, if it's on my head.
Right hand on top of your head. Okay. Left hand on top of your head.
Where is
On top of your
it?
head. Shake your hips. Shake.
Okay, so Jack's on the phone right now outside, but when he comes back in to play his game, I'm gonna scare the shit out of him. I'm gonna hide in the closet, okay?
What the hell? Honey, I swear to God, if that is you behind that door, if there's anything else besides my girlfriend behind that door right now, I'm going to absolutely deck it to the ground. Straight up. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Babe,
Yes, little tender cheeks.
look at this adorable little heart necklace that I got. Isn't it pretty?
Did someone buy it for you?
Oh, you know. Well, it did.
Wallet?
Yeah. Well, it wasn't you! Okay? I asked you for once. And you didn't. You didn't buy it for me. And look, I'm recording this right now because I want to show you how freaking cute this necklace is.
Oh. Oh.
Look at that.
Whoa, that's actually really cool.
I know, right?
That's
It's a picture of
awesome.
us. Look, and if you look
Can I-
at yours, yeah.
Can I see it for a second? Is that okay?
Don't drop it. Yeah, please! It's mine.
Hey, honey, could you just like kind of like step out of the car for a little bit? Yeah, you know, just like step out of the car.
It's raining extremely hard.
I know, but if you just step out of it, you just like step out of the car.
For that, they told you
Yay! Oh my. Look
How
at
many
you.
seconds?
Maybe like, I don't know. Can you close the door, Belle?
The baby is in rain.
You close the door. It's really rain. Oh, baby.
Can I come back in?
In a little bit.
Okay.
How does it feel?
How's your day going?
It's great. How's yours?
Pretty wet.
Lines in the past, like swear.
Honey!
Sorry.
That must be a
Say it.
B word.
Say it!
No, I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it. I have a great idea. This Sunday, we go to church. Deal?
Okay.
Yes. Okay, maybe we can get rid of some of those cuss words.
Hello, my name is Meghan.
And you shouldn't say you should.
I have a really bad cussing problem. It's an addiction.
Right here!
Stop!
Pastor Eric.
Eric.
Pastor John.
No one's
Right
no,
here.
I've never met a pastor named Eric.
Who here needs the Lord? Right here, sir. She needs him.
Honey,
Yeah, baby.
can I play with you?
Are you kidding?
Oh, can I play a game with you?
Yeah.
Really?
Oh my gosh, get in my chair. Oh, I don't want to be in this chair. It's all you. Come on, get in here now.
Okay.
Okay. What do you want to play? Does it matter to you?
Minecraft is fine. You're already on.
Minecraft.
You're already on.
Yes. Yes. Okay. We'll start your new world.
Okay.
Can I get you anything? Do you want like chips?
Maybe a drink or snack or something.
Drink or
That'd
snack.
Be nice. Oh, can I have some of that?
You did. I don't have any snacks. Oh no. I hate when that happens in the movie. I mean, I guess it's a show, but. Well, I don't know. Like, it's like has to do with something like that. Finish your question.
Thank you. What are the stink sacks? I swear to God! What are the stink sacks on the bugs?
I think they just smell bad. Oh my God, this is ridiculous. How many times that he has done that with the cowboy hat?
How many times you're going to interrupt me?
Huh?
I don't know. Nobody knows. Oh my God, if he finds me, I didn't tell him where I was. You almost ran past me. You almost ran past me.
Ooh, I knew you were full of crap. What do you have in your hand, honey?
It's bibs.
Bibs?
With dinos on them. For
Oh my God, we're in the baby aisle.
no.
No, we're not?
We are, but no.
Okay.
Baby.
Also, who would be hitting you in the baby aisle? Who would be like, oh my God, that's a mom.
What a mom.
Hey, mama. Señorita.
I knew. Stop. Could I be in this Instagram picture? Go.
Okay, so 27, easy.
Okay.
Drinks probably way too much coffee and wears crystals around her neck, believing it'll summon a boyfriend. Your turn.
Okay, 16, but he thinks he's 21. It's not even his cards, it's dad's, but you never know. And he's definitely already made an appointment to get his ears pierced.
Okay, honey, what about this one?
Oh my, okay, these are the two kids at the party that tell everyone they're just friends, but come on.
Oh my God, well, we all know these, man.
Hey,
Babe, what about this one?
wait, what? Why did we post this picture?
You're right. I have no idea why
This
we
is
posted this.
disgusting.
It's terrible.
Take it down.
Oh my God, honey.
What?
What is wrong with your face? Baby.
What? Baby.
Oh my God.
I don't see anything. Baby.
It's all over.
It's all over. Honey, what is it?
You're beautiful.
Oh my God. Baby. Baby. I thought I spilled mayonnaise on my face.
No, you didn't do that. Smell good.
Mayonnaise?
So Jack and I lived in an apartment in a decently good neighborhood. Okay, honestly, decent is a strong word for that. What the hell happened?
Sorry. Two guys were trying to mug me outside, but we're all good. I got away. Us saying that we lived in a good neighborhood is a complete overstatement. We live in a terrible neighborhood. Oh, why am I climbing through the window? It's just there's some really sketchy guys out front, and I didn't want to deal with it today. So,
You know, sometimes we gotta climb in through windows, you know, or carry tasers and mace. I have like 2 sets in my purse. If I'm not back in 5, just call the cops, okay?
okay, sounds good.
All right, thanks.
Love you. Good luck.
Love you too. Gonna need it. So Jack and I actually have a code word. It's Funky Town. So whenever one of us is screaming in a Funky Town somewhere, we know they're in distress. So we can... Do you hear that?
Funky town. Funky town. Funky town. So we recently took up karate, and we're both white belts, but we should have already advanced by now because we're both pretty damn good. Not gonna lie, we're kind of experts. Yeah.
So people around here like to pick locks a lot. But Jack and I just installed 2 new locks on our door, and let me tell you, no one is getting through that. Jack's actually out there right now, he's gonna test it.
Ben, did you even lock the door?
Yeah?
Dang it.
It's really not that bad of a neighborhood.
We have to move.
Yeah. Funky Town! Funky Town!
Hey, did you want to watch Survivor or like the other show that we've been kind of binging?
I also don't give a shit either way. We can do it.
Jack, I really don't like it when you cuss at me like that. I really don't like it. It makes me feel really uncomfortable.
I wasn't cussing at you.
I know, but you just said it again, and I don't like it when you speak to me in that tone, or when you speak to me with those words together. It makes me feel very self-conscious and upset.
Wait. Hold up. You're being serious?
I'm being dead serious. Why is this a funny matter now?
Funny. I fucking love you.
Hey, baby.
Your phone.
What you doing?
Reading.
That sounds fun.
Oh. Why'd you say that?
I don't know.
I'm done reading now.
No, are you?
So what are we gonna do on this fantastic, beautiful day? What shall we do? There's endless opportunities of what we could do. Endless. Well, there's one opportunity I'd like to pursue. Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's pursue that. Let's go.
You just like start telling me your opinion and like I don't really want to hear it. So. Yeah, you just sit there and eat your peanut butter like a dumbass.
Oh my god!
I asked you a question like a good minute ago and you never answered it. So.
What was the question?
It was, why are you so goddamn annoying?
I don't think you ever asked me that
No,
question.
I think I
So who
did.
the hell would ask a question like
Hey, excuse me, sir. Why are you so goddamn annoying?
I know why I'm annoying. I'm sorry, I should have answered. It's because I'm dating a beautiful, amazing woman that I love.
Oh, can you come here for a sec?
Oh.
I was thinking, I think you should just stop gaming. Like altogether, just stop gaming because it keeps me up when I want to sleep and all the times it's like super loud and I can't hear my TV show. So I just think it's probably best you just stop gaming. You know? Because like if you count all those problems and then you count the solution, like it just solves all those problems.
Solves all those problems. Okay.
Really?
Sure. Yeah.
So you'll just stop gaming altogether.
I mean, if it's that big of a deal to you, sure.
What? Baby!
What?
I was kidding! I would never tell you to stop
Thank
that.
God. I was really trying to play this cool. But that did not work.
Woo! Woo!
So Jack and I are surprising my sister at her beach house, and I am so excited because I have not seen her in forever, and we've always been so close, so.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Her sister is not gonna be excited to see us. I just didn't want to tell Megan.
She's coming, she's coming, she's coming.
No, seriously, I'm gonna call you back. I actually think there's somebody in my house right now. No, I don't have a gun.
Oh my god, hi!
Are we close? I mean, I love my sister, but we've never been close. I mean, look at her taste in men. I'm not into surprises. Jack, I despise him.
She hates my guts. Oh, hey. Good morning, Lizzie.
Hey.
Coming in some breakfast?
Yeah. I did not invite them. I don't know. They just showed up.
Okay, thank God she was excited to see me because honestly I was a little bit worried. But we're good.
You don't understand. She does not like me. She went in the kitchen and grabbed oatmeal, didn't even put water in it. She's eating dry oats. Who the freak eats dry oats? Your sister's insane.
They said what? I like oatmeal. Since when is that such a crime? So you ever thought about, I mean, getting out there, dating, a real relationship?
Oh my god, you know I love Jack. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's amazing.
You're serious about that?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Good. That's great. That's fantastic.
Hey, what are y'all talking about? Hey, creamy fettuccine. What are you up to? Baby, you are a crispy taco with sour cream and cheese. You look like a radish dipped in mayonnaise, honey.
That sounds disgusting.
You are a fish fillet sandwich. Look at you.
A what?
Hey, what's up, turkey bacon club lettuce wrap?
Turkey bacon!
Oh my god! Hey, mozzarella sticks. What do you want for dinner?
Mozzarella sticks.
Act like me when I'm drunk.
Oh, I'm just so tired. Do you want to get sloppy? Oh, baby, what's going on? Oh my god, are you hungry? Oh my god, do you think I'm sexy? You should take a picture of me. You think I'm hot, don't you? Come on, Jack. Come on, baby. Please. I know you think I'm sexy.
I'm sorry you hate your bagel. Oh, honey, I'm sorry. That's disgusting.
I don't hate my bagel.
I'm so sorry. That is literally so gross. Oh, I'm so sorry. It's okay. I'll throw it out. I can get you something else, though.
I loved my bagel.
No, you want some broccoli salad? I'm sorry.
No, broccoli sauce is disgusting. What?
I'm sorry. I can give you some of my sandwich, I guess.
Yeah.
No, I don't really want to do that, though. So, I can buy you another one. Is it okay?
I mean, you just took mine, so you come down.
Hey, Jack. Check out that girl's ass right there.
Yours?
No, the girl over there.
It's a trap.
No.
I can look at yours, but I can't look at another one. Here, I'll look.
Just look.
Okay,
just
yeah.
Look.
Wow. That's really nice. That looks really good. I love that. Wow, really plump.
Baby,
you know?
just look. It's not a big deal.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I can look.
Just look at it.
Wasn't as good as yours. It was nice, but it wasn't as good as yours.
You know I brought the dog home last night? He still doesn't know. He still doesn't know.
When did she bring the dog home? What the hell?
You know, I don't think I've seen him do one thing for this dog. I don't actually think I've seen him take her out once. I buy the dog food. I mean, I think I've bought everything for her. You know, I asked him one time, I said, can you go get her a new harness? And do you know what he said to me? He said, what's wrong with the one she's wearing? What is it with guys and their video games? Okay, he never pays attention to me, and I have some really important stuff to talk about, and I swear to God, he couldn't give a single shit. He thinks that, like, I'm just gonna all of a sudden want to, like, be best friends with her. I don't even know her last name. I mean,
I don't even know who Jin is. Who's Jin? Why does she always talk to me about her? Never heard of her in my entire life.
are you?
Yeah. Listen, yeah.
What did I just say?
Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I was not listening. But you gotta admit, Meghan always rants about everything. She just goes off. She's like, la 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 la.
I am such a clean person. I do the dishes. I pick up all of his shit. And you know what he does all day to thank me? Games. You know, I only swept once, and the floor has never been dusty since. Not a single hair. You know why? It's because I keep it clean. All I had to do was once.
Look, I'm just trying to mind my own business, live my own life, and you know, every now and then, she just gets a little bit on my nerves, but I guess that's part of being in a relationship, right? Oh, man. I love it.
Oh my God. We were just talking about this. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Jack!
Here, baby, hop in this picture. I'm sorry, are you mad at me?
Stop. Stop, Jack, I'm trying to make food. Ow, Jack! Jack, no!
We wish you a Merry Christmas!
Meghan, Meghan just smacked my butt really hard, and she hurt her hand and my ass so bad.
It's burning. It's so stop it.
Giddy up.
Hey, Kate.
Bye, my love.
Wait, where are you going? Hey, babe. Did that just happen? Did that just happen? Jack? Lost in the lights. Alone. Alone are we? Alone.
Are you singing to the dog?
I didn't leave.
Oh my god.
What? What?
Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is really, really bad.
What? Jack, you can't keep covering your mouth and then not say anything. Okay, my parents are like really specific about their house today. What did you do?
I didn't mess with anything in the house. That's
Okay.
not it.
Okay. Did you feed the dogs yesterday? Because I didn't do that.
Yes, I fed the dogs.
Oh my god,
What?
you're making me nervous.
I don't know if you should know this.
You're just repeating the same thing. I think you know exactly what it is.
What? $6! Woo! I honestly don't know if I should tell you though, love. Like, I think you're gonna be shocked.
We're not keeping it.
Oh.
Yeah, go ahead. Please.
Okay, fine. All I was gonna say is that I think you're beautiful.
What?
I know that. God damn it. Baby.
Oh.
Baby, I have a really good idea.
Okay.
I just
Tell
thought
me
of it,
right now.
right?
I'm excited.
Okay, so imagine this. We invest in a toilet. An extra toilet. Not a bathroom, though.
Okay,
Scratch the bathroom.
toilets are
It
investments
goes,
now.
It
Correct.
goes under the sink.
Okay.
Okay?
Wait.
Under the sink. Because we can wash our dishes if we have to. I mean, we can use the sink too, but we have a toilet now.
I need to back you up for a sec. We're
Okay.
gonna use it under the sink.
Yes.
So you're telling me we're gonna be under the sink, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna be under the sink.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna be going,
We could squeeze in.
keep going. You're excited about this. I'm excited. I'm listening. Go ahead.
This is like one of my first really good ideas in a while.
Okay. Yeah. I think that I'm happy you're excited about this.
Yeah?
First off, that's number one.
Okay.
That's number one. Number two is I think this is a terrible idea. We should get a trampoline.
Okay.
Shut your mouth. I don't want a trampoline. Stop bringing up things that we need to get. Okay.
Jack, you are obviously being extremely
rude. Hey, would you still date me if I looked like this?
If that was your natural expression.
Hey.
Why do we feel so bad?
Why did you feel bad for me? You don't think I'm beautiful like this? You don't think I look good?
I love you. Come here.
Hey, do you think you'd want to live in a place like that? Well, I would never buy it for you.
Okay, I don't. It's a broken down building.
Yeah? You want to live in a shit shack?
No.
Well, good! Because I want to! We're gonna live in one! Hey, babe. I'm gonna go hang out with Christine, just letting you know. So she's here now. She just got here, but
Okay.
it's her first time hanging out. She seems really cool, so I'm just gonna go hang with her.
Okay.
Just so you know, it's female.
Girl.
Yeah.
All right. That sounds cool.
You're supposed to be mad.
Oh.
You're supposed to be. I'm hanging out with a girl. You're supposed to be mad.
Are you kidding me?
My computer!
Are you kidding me? I'm sorry. Who is here? Excuse me?
Not my $10 iPhone.
You cheating bastard!
No! Why did this go from 0 to 60 so fast?
Christina! I'm gonna go talk to her right now. What's her name? Well, her name's Christine. And I'm mad, Jack.
I think he was
I
super
love him.
stressed.
What is his name again? The guy in the movie? I know he's Michael
Steve
Scott.
Carell?
Steve Carell. Thanks.
Wait, what happened?
She just cheated on him!
Okay, no, I was
She
asking
cheated
what
on him.
happened. Okay, alright.
I can't believe she thinks that, like,
do this.
She thinks that, like,
I don't get why
just-
people always do this.
I don't.
I'm not
she
talking
can-
about the movie anymore.
She cheated on him and she thinks everything's fine.
You're right. So,
Do you think I can pull off red hair? She's got really
you can pull it off so well. So you're okay
That's
with
what I
me
heard.
what?
The Netflix, the Notebook. Honey, what's wrong, baby? You want a kiss? I don't think
Hey.
Shh. Okay. I'm just trying.
Jack!
I'm trying to watch the video. Calm down.
Shh, be quiet!
Jesus, I don't know why we're freaking out about this. I'm trying to listen. Zip it.
What the hell was that? Don't shush me. Do not shush me. Do not shush me.
Don't splash it on me. Come on, let me have it. Can I have a sip? Honey, I was messing with you. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'll use my headphones.
I'm sorry you talk a lot. Your phone fell. We're on our date and look at we got Lilo! I'm just going to eat your face. Do you know what you want to eat yet?
I know what I want to order. I'm gonna have a classic strawberry shake, some chili cheese fries with a little bit of maybe some tots. Can you get both? Can you get fries and tots? I'm not sure if that's a thing. Do something.
Oh, my keys are jingling.
I'm gonna cheers you.
Oh.
She gets the first bite. Is it not to her liking?
Oh, sorry. I had the fork sideways. Oh. Should we get dessert now?
Yeah, strawberry. I was thinking strawberry. A shake maybe?
Okay, strawberry shake. Okay, I just put the straws in. We got her. Look how giant this shake is. Good.
Okay, babe. I'm leaving, but don't forget to take Willow and put her in the sink so we can pour rice and chips on her later, okay?
Okay.
Alright. I love you.
Love you too. Chips. Alright, Lilo, it's time. You heard Mama. You heard her. Yeah, I know. Okay. I'm not gonna do that. I would never do that to you. I don't think I should put you in the sink. We'll give it a shot.
Hey.
Oh, hey, babe. If you guys want to do that, that's fine. You guys don't want to play with me anymore. Okay, that's fine. Don't worry about it.
It's so sad to hear. I feel like you're getting, like, bullied.
No, it's okay.
It's like little kids on the playground.
They just said they didn't want to play with me anymore, so that big of a deal.
Hold on. Hey. Why don't you want to play
You
with
want to take
me?
my seat?
Yeah. You guys are being extremely rude right now. Why don't they want to play with you? You guys are going to play with him. Okay, you're going to talk to me. Just like you should talk to him. Where's your mother? Is your mother there? I think you made him cry. And that's not okay.
I didn't cry.
Jack, you're not playing. These guys are idiots. And you're not playing with them again. Okay?
Gotcha.
And give your mom my number. Okay?
What? We're going out tomorrow night for dinner.
I have a game for you to play, okay?
Okay.
If you can guess 3 out of the 10 things in my FabFitFun box, then I will buy you any game that you want from your computer. It's a deal you can't say no to. No!
Okay. All right. Yeah, let's do it. Do I just start guessing?
Yeah, just start guessing.
Definitely some flip-flops.
That would be a no.
Oh.
Nope.
The cup.
Yeah.
You get cups from everything that we do. It probably has a straw with it too, huh?
Oh my god,
Yeah,
that's 2. You're guessing. You only guessed 2, buddy.
I'm gonna get this. Free game. Here we go. A small glass bowl.
No, incorrect. Honey, sorry, you get no game. Sucks to be you. Jack.
I'm coming. Hold up.
Jack, you took forever. I feel like you could have brought a little more in, honey. We still have like a kind of a lot of stuff in the car.
How many pillows are you carrying?
A handful. Both my hands are full, Jack.
Me too. My arms are full.
I think you probably could have grabbed
Don't
some.
tell me to carry more.
Honey,
Do you
look,
see how much
I could have put 2 of these on top of here, and you still would have been fine. I guess sometimes I feel like I care. No, come on, that's not funny. I know you were throwing that because you wanted to.
What? Baby?
Yeah.
I feel like you're being a little bit lazy today.
Excuse me?
You should. What?
Like you should get up and do something.
Jack, shut the fuck up. We literally got this furniture inside here today. I spent a lot of time and effort looking puppies online. It was really difficult, and I did it. Do you know what I want to do right now? Because you said that to me? I want to go pop a few NyQuil so I can go to sleep. I can go right to sleep.
Was that a yawn or a stretch or what was that?
It's so comfy! You want it? Honey, I am literally not lazy, okay? I don't know what your problem is. Now, can you grab me a drink from the fridge, please? Thank you.
There you go. Okay, geez. Well, honey, I still think you're being pretty lazy today, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god!
Stop being so dramatic.
Stop being so squishy.
Sir. Baby, where are you going?
I'm fine. No, I'm okay. I'm fine. Don't worry about me. I'm a cow.
If I ever cheated on you, which, okay, never gonna happen, but if I did,
Right.
how would you run into the door? Like, how would you bust in the door?
I've been preparing for this moment my whole life.
Okay. Hey.
I'm just kidding.
Hey, I was wondering if you... Hey, but I was just... Babe, okay, so if I was like cheating on you, which is not gonna happen before you freak out, how would you like run into the room, like through the door, if you knew I was doing it?
Let's see, okay. Where's your car?
Oh my god! It's Harry Potter! Harry!
F minus. F
What?
minus, because you mother downgraded.
Oh my god!
I'm gonna take my shit and I'm gonna go.
Hi, baby. What?
Well, baby, I'm gonna go sleep in the living room, okay? Ooh, it's more comfortable out there.
Okay, try not to laugh challenge. Ready? You go first. That was Cupid, my friend. No joke.
Okay, stop. I want to go one more time.
Okay, you go again. Go ahead.
Dude, I was thinking about that today. Like it's just a little small. I know. I remember thinking it was like, I remember when I used to think it was like huge, and now I'm like, yeah, it's not as big as I thought it was. Just because I've seen it for so long now. And honestly, it doesn't really matter, but you know, like sometimes you'll just kind of be like in that space and you're like, yeah, it's smaller than I remember.
Especially when you're like, bro, like there's like it's basically just not even there. Like it's not even here. Yeah. Yeah. Jack, baby.
I know you're talking about my glizzy. Definitely.
You almost hit that with your car.
No, I did not.
You were so close to that.
Lord help me. Do we need to drop you off at church? There's a church right here, my love.
Stop looking at my phone.
Oh my god, if you don't stop.
You are literally pissing me off right now.
How am I pissing you off? You're being a raw piece of bacon.
Okay, when you call me a raw piece of bacon, it just sounds like you're calling me cat names or something.
Cat names?
Like calling me.
Cat?
Ah, you little raw piece of bacon.
What? Oh, I
You're a
forgot
piece of meat.
that. I forgot that all F-boys, they like to call people by meat names. Yo, filet mignon, T-bone steak. Hey.
Baby, oh my god.
Oh God, what?
Oh my god.
Oh, did you drop my camera?
Yeah. Honey, I dropped your camera.
It's okay. It's okay. Here. I got.
Huh.
Let me. Don't try to eat it, babe.
It's not started. It's not started.
Honey. Sorry. You ripped my shirt.
Oh my god, I ripped it.
It's okay.
Okay. Baby, I'm sorry.
Okay, Megs, I'm a cool skater kid hitting on you. We're both single and action.
Okay.
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
How you doing?
I got 2 things in that. You said the jacket right there?
Yeah, that's
I got 2 of them in there.
Okay.
I got 2 pockets right here. I got 2
Okay.
tasers. They're ready to go. I just
Okay.
want you to know that.
Okay.
See this pocket right here?
Yeah.
I got keys. I got sharp keys.
Oh, sharp. Okay.
I got. I just want you to know. I just want you to know. I just want you to know. I'll shake you.
Oh my god, honey.
I'll shake you.
I mean, who are you? What's your name? I just wanted to know your name.
Hey, babe, I was going to talk to you about how much you've been shopping recently. And I think that...
What are you about to say?
I think that maybe we could possibly...
Okay, hold on.
entertain the idea.
Let's talk about when I shop. Okay, I spend a little bit of money on each thing, right?
A little shirt.
I'll get a shirt.
Okay.
Get some shorts. Now, what do you buy when you shop? No. What do you buy?
I don't shop.
When you shop, you splurge, okay?
Uh-huh.
You go out and you might buy one thing. But what is that thing? A $300 Switch
That's a good point.
with a game and controllers. And then,
That's a good point.
and then just to top it off, you're like, I want to buy a new set of headphones today, right? How much
Right.
are those, right? $200. Guess how much that's
I'm done.
Hey, guess how much one Switch is worth? A
Three.
whole ass freaking outfit. Ooh, can I have some?
I mean, okay.
The one that you made?
There's not a lot left, sorry.
Do you have a napkin? Or I guess I can just use this.
Having fun there?
Yeah, I'm trying to get your saliva off of it.
Oh, here, let me. Oh, sorry, honey. I know you don't.
Ew, Jack! Don't touch me with that! Get out! Get out of the car! That is so gross.
You want to sit?
No, get out! Oh my god!
Okay, I'll leave. Can I please just stay? You want to sip?
Ew, stop it. Alright, babe. Alright, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, just follow my lead. I'm a chick hitting on you at the Maze Runner. Okay.
Okay.
Hi. Sorry, I just have to get...
I have a girlfriend!
Oh my god.
Please, no, I have a girlfriend! You don't understand. You gotta help me. You gotta help me. My girlfriend will beat me up if she knows that you're talking to me.
Are you kidding me? Your girlfriend's
Please,
back.
help me! Help! I told you! I told you!
You're gonna make me cry.
What's your name?
You're gonna make me cry.
What's your name? Please help me!
Jerk! What's
was that?
wrong with
They're
you?
pretty... Ah!
Babe?
Yeah,
Are you getting in the shower?
maybe.
Hey.
Don't look at me!
nothing's bothering me. I just kind of wanted to get in the shower.
Like this?
Yeah?
You just get in the shower? Do I need to wash your hair?
Thanks for joining me, love.
You're welcome.
Hey, guess what?
What?
My shoes aren't wet!
Are you good if, like, tonight we just don't really hang out? Like, I'll just kind of take the living room, you can take the bedroom.
Yeah.
Separate things.
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, that sounds like a bad idea. No. I don't want to do that.
Yeah, why was that so exciting?
I wasn't excited.
You were kind of like jumping on the
I was testing you to see if you were going to react properly.
You were jumping
but
on the
no, honey, I really want to hang out with you.
There goes the bandwagon and you went, woo!
Honey, I really wanted to hang out with you tonight, but you know what? If you don't want to, that's okay.
Don't blame it on me.
I love you.
Don't put it on me.
Don't put it on you. You're the one who suggested this.
Yeah, but you...
Are you getting mad at me? Are we not able to do this anymore?
No. Yeah, you know what? We're spending the whole freaking night together now. I don't
Too
know.
late.
I don't know what. No, I don't know what's going on with you. We are spending the whole night.
My shirt. Going crazy. It's gonna happen.
Oh my god, babe! I need a napkin.
You guys wondering?
Don't look. Oh, is that Deutsche Bank? I am so sorry, Jack.
You're just. I love you so much, but you're just.
Oh. You just told me this.
No, yeah. For putting a snot on me.
You said you loved every part of me.
I love you, but not your disgusting snot.
I'm sorry. I just forgot that I had it on me and I was like.
I'm still your hand.
Yeah, I mean it's my snot.
Get your hand away.
It's snot.
Get away from me, please. I love you, but get away from me.
Jack.
Yes,
Baby.
my little Tinder.
Baby, we just won a free iPad.
What?
We just won a free iPad.
Did you enter one of those competitions at the mall or something?
No. No, it was an email. It was a link.
Wait.
It's a click here, you want a free iPad.
And you clicked it?
Yeah. Yeah. It said it was gonna give me more, it was gonna give me like the details and stuff, but my phone started getting like glitchy.
Ooh, baby.
What?
No
you want a free iPad!
No wonder your phone's getting glitchy, honey.
Why? What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean? It's one of those, you actually fell for that?
Yeah! I want an iPad! What did you do? Baby!
Oh, speed limit's 35. 42.
42 my ass!
Honey, it's a left up here.
Jack!
I told you to take the
I know,
left turn.
stop.
Brake!
I do have brakes! A human being is smarter than GPS
I disagree. Baby, watch out, there's cement on the road. That was our turn.
There will be other turns, Jack.
Go ahead and get in the left lane.
Go ahead and step on the Lego or something.
Oh my god. Watch out, these cars are stopped up here, hon.
Honey, I see them!
Don't stop!
Jack! What the
What?
Don't stop.
Believe it!
If you want to do that, that's fine with me.
I'll just meet you there.
Okay. All right. Love you, baby.
Bye,
Love you
baby.
soon. Okay. Bye, baby. Love you.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye, Mushy.
What's wrong?
What?
You never don't see how.
No, there's nothing wrong.
100% there's something wrong, honey.
Bye, baby.
Talk to me. Hey. I am your vent. And you are the fan. Blow your wind through me, honey.
What?
I am ready for you
What?
to vent to me. Tell me what's wrong.
What do you
Tell me
mean?
what's wrong. What's been going on with your day? Let's talk. I'm here. Let's listen. Ears wide open. Let's go. What's wrong?
I look like a creepy therapist.
Hi. Nice shirt you got there. Let me take some notes.
What?
The creepy therapist. I don't know. Whoa, little saucy one, huh?
Yeah.
Whoa, your shorts are looking real short today, love.
I know, right?
They're a little too short. Yeesh. Honey,
Not even.
those shorts are really short. Look at them.
Honey, you're supposed to like them when they're short. That's also all those Instagram models you're following. Those shorts are not too short.
Well, those are different.
They be wearing underwear. But no.
I don't follow any Instagram models. I follow one. It's you. Oh.
Jack, they're literally fine.
I mean, they're a little short. Oh, God, watch out.
No. They're literally
I think these look better. Oh.
Hey, little baby.
Uh-huh.
I just got a bunch of selfies and I want to show you.
Ooh. Oh.
Do you like them?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so I did this one in the
Stop it! Give me some of that.
That's with the hair down though. I put the hair up because
Oh, baby.
Stop it! Give me some of that. Oh, I'll spread you on a piece of toast.
this was, wait, can I show you my favorite?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
This is my favorite.
Give me some of that, baby.
Do you like?
Mm-hmm.
And then there's with my hair up. Oh no!
I passed out from all the gorgeousness.
Oh baby.
Oh, so tender.
Hey, are you getting ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, I was thinking it's best you probably just don't come.
Yeah, no.
Okay. Wait, you really don't want me to go? You really want me to go?
No, I want you to go. I just think it's best that you don't. You know?
Yeah. Dang. Darn! Man, I really wanted to go to your parents. Really wanted to go to your parents with you, but if I, you know, guess we don't have to.
What the heck, man? What the heck, man? You know what? It's me, man. What the heck, man? Put your freaking suit on. You're going.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you're
Well, I'll
going.
put it on. And let's go.
I said you're going. Yeah, you want to go?
So do I not have to go tonight?
You
or
want to
what?
go? You want to go? Do you want to go? Do you want to go? Hmm?
Hey! Yeah.
I love you so much.
Oh, we do. Can I have some more?
You said you weren't hungry.
You just took my bite.
You said you weren't hungry.
Oh. Well, we can split it, right?
I'm so hungry.
Sorry, baby.
I thought you don't like breakfast.
I mean, that looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? There you go. Babe. Hey, baby.
Hey, Squishes.
Are you wearing that to your parents? Look at the shoes and two. The shoes. The shoes.
Absolutely not. No, this is a tester outfit. Obviously, that's why I switched into
No,
it.
honey, I was just asking if you're gonna wear like that.
Yeah, no.
Like
You know what I mean? It's gross, I know. Yeah, no, I was just putting it on in the hotel room. I was changing into it so I get a feel for what our environment's going to be like tonight. And then I was going to change it to something better.
A little bit of like a mix of like sarcasm.
Oh!
And a little bit of like, a little bit of passive aggression.
Really?
You know, just
oh, okay. Well, okay. Well, are you going to wear that?
Yeah.
Are you going to wear that?
See, I look good.
Are you going to wear that?
What is this?
Wow! Are you going to wear that? You should. Okay, that's fine. You know who I am? I'm you.